In previous video we have learned about the numbers, which 5-digit numbers, place value and face value, expanded notation and standard form. We know that the place value start from ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. This is a place value. We are going to learn about the comparing of 5-digit number. Here I wrote the one examples of 5-digit number. First of all, we have to read this number: 67,834, 16,245. We have to compare both number, which is the greater or which is the smaller number. Okay, you know the signs of greater or less symbol. Okay, this is sign. We have to compare. Now we have to compare this number. First we have to compare the 10,000 place. Like place value we have to compare. First we have to compare 10,000s. Okay. Here 6, here 1. Here we know that 6 is a smaller than 6 is a greater than 1, means 1 is a smaller. 1 number or 1 digit we have to check which is the smaller, which is the less. Here 6, okay, and here is the 1. Now tell me which is the small, 1 or 6? We know that 1 is the small and 6 is the bigger. Which is the bigger number? You have to do like this sign. These two legs toward the great number and this for the small number. Means 67,834 is greater than 16,245. This is a comparing of both 5-digit number. Okay. Now let's see second example. Now compare the both example here. From first digit we have to check one by one. Okay. First 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Okay. Step to step you have to go. Here 3, here 3. Both are the same. Okay. Now here 2, here 9. Here 2 and second place here is 9. Means which number is great here? Obviously 9 means biggest sign towards the 9. 39,363 is greater than 32,496. Okay. 39,306 is greater than 32,496. Let's see another example. Now look at third. 29,619, 29,643. We have to compare both number, which is the greater number or which is the smaller number. First here 2, here also 2, here 9, here also 9, here 6, here also 6, here 9, here 4, here 9 ones, tens place here 9 and here tens place 4. Which number is greater? Obviously 9 is the greater than 4. Means 29,619 is greater than 29,643. I hope you are understanding this comparing. Okay. Only one number we have to check. First we have to check 1,000, 10,000 place. Then after 1,000, then 100, now tens, now ones. Okay. Like this place value chart we have know about this. Okay. Here on 10,000 place we know that which number is greater. Okay. Here 1,000 place we understood. Here tens place. Okay. Now let's learn about second point. Our next point we are going to learn about the ordering. Here is we know that in 4th standard you know about the ordering, ascending and descending orders. Okay. First we know that AO. It is a short form. Okay, can you tell me the full form? AO means the ascending order. Okay. Again, next is what? DO. Descending order. These both are to ascending and descending order. Means we have to grow from smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest number we have to go. Smallest to biggest, and descending means biggest to smallest. Ascending order means we have to move from like this, like graph, small, then after big, like this we have to move in ascending order. Okay, is also called as the increasing order. Ascending order is also called as the increasing order. And descending order, what we have to do? Descending order is opposite of the ascending order. We have to move from biggest number to smallest number. This is called as the descending order and also called as the decreasing order. Increasing order and decreasing order. Okay, I hope you understand this. Ascending means small number to the biggest number we have to move, and descending means biggest number to the smallest number. Now let's see the example on the basis of ordering. Now here I wrote one example: 49,300, 46,400, 38,175. We are going to learn about the 5-digit number. Okay, don't forget it. Now first we have to compare one digit. Which first? 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones, like this. Okay, I write here. Okay, first we have to check place. 10,000. Here 4, here 4, here 3. Here 4, here 4, here 3. Which number is small now? Tell me. 3 is the small. Ascending order means small number to the biggest number. Here I got 3. Now we have to write this first. 38,175. Now compare the both number. Here 9, here 6. Now tell me, small number. Okay, ascending means small number to big number. Now here 9, here 6, means 6 is a small. Now second number here, 46,400. Last one remaining, 49,300. This is a ascending order. Smallest number to the biggest number. Increasing order. Now descending order. Short tricks we have. Descending order, how we have to write? First, ascending order, which is the last number or last digit here, you have to write here first. Here last digit, 49,300. Now next, 46,400 and 38,175. Descending order, biggest to smallest or the decreasing order. Now let's see second example. Now look at 63,105, 50,294, 51,294. First check 10,000 place. Here 6, here 5, here 5. Now confuse happen. Here 2, 5, 5. Now check the both of them. Here 0, here 1. 0 is small or 1 is small? Can you tell me? Obviously 0 is small. Now this is a small number as compared to 51. 50,294. Now next number here, this 51,294. Now last one 63. 63,105. This is ascending. Small number to big number. Now descending order, what we have to do? DO. Last number we have to write here first. 63,105. 51,294, 50,294. 4. I hope you have understand the comparing and ordering of 5-digit number. Okay. Review. What we have learned? Standard form. This number is called as the standard form. Okay. 32,625, this called as the standard form. This standard form we have to convert it into the expanded notations. First we know about the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Only we have to do like this. First number means here 5. Ones place only multiply with 1. Now tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Rearrange this. Plus value I wrote here as it is. Plus minus happen now. Now the place value of 5 is 5, place value of 2 is 20, place value of 6 600, place value of 2 is 2000, place value of 3 is 30,000. The standard form we have to convert it in the expanded notation. Sometimes the question is opposite. Expanded notation we have to convert it into the standard form. Like this you have to do. Okay. Now 62,506. I circle 5. We have to find the place value and face value. Ones, tens, 100 means 500. The place value of 5 is 500 and face value, the number we have to write as it is. Okay. Now this number we have to write in words. 62,506. Okay. 62,506. Now only we learn about the comparing number. 1, here 3, here 3, here 2, here 2, here 4, here 5. 4 is small or 5 is small? 4 is small and 5 is the great number. We have to do like this. 32,579 is greater than 32,429. Okay. Now only we just look. Now here ordering. Ascending order means, can you tell me? Small number to biggest number we have to move. And descending means biggest number to smallest number. Ascending order, increasing order also called as, and descending is decreasing order. First lesson is almost completed. Now in next video we are going to learn about the second chapter. Okay. On the basis of the comparing, ordering, standard, expanded, I will give you homework. Okay. Equal to sign where we have to use? When both sides of number are same. For example, 30,000. Both sides are number are same. We have to use equal sign. Okay.